In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your partner code in XM. First, go to xm.com. In the top right corner of the website, you will see a blue button that says Partnerships. Click on it. This will take you to the XM Partners page. Next, click on Become a Partner. Here you need to create your partner account. XM will ask you to enter your personal information, your residential address, and some basic business information. Just fill out the form step by step and submit it. Once your partner account is approved, you will receive your unique partner code. This code allows you to earn commission when new clients register and trade using your referral link or partner code. XM offers automated payouts, daily commission, and there are no earning limits, so the more clients you refer, the more you can potentially earn. That is how you get your partner code on XM. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more trading and platform guides.